All right, so in this video, I have one of my first pairs of Nike Dunks, I think, that I've actually copped at retail this year, which is insane to think about because of the hype of the Nike Dunk. But I've been a longtime fan of concepts and the dunks that they've created in the past, and if you haven't seen back there, some of my favorite of all time are the Christmas Dunks. I have all three of the ugly Christmas sweaters. But today we have their latest collaboration with Nike, and the images of the box on this one look like it was probably the best packaging that we've seen all year. So I wanted to show you guys what we got. Starting with this box here. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectibles.com. If you guys don't shop this week's top sneaker deals that I try to curate for you guys every week, go ahead and head over to the website, link in the description again. So this box is ridiculous. So this is actually the ship box that it came in, but the words on this box is hilarious. So it says concepts, oven on fire, roast your friends in front of their friends. And then it has a bunch of words underneath there. 28 to 3, you can, cold cereal, I think, who's, spider 2, eat banana. And it has a bunch of other words there. I think you're supposed to combine them and make a sense. I honestly don't get it. If you guys know, leave a comment. But this is just a shipping box, so you know that there's going to be something good inside of here. So I think this is going to have a whole bunch of things in it because this is the premium packaging. All right, so I am so stoked to see these because they look really dope from the images. So first pass at it, well, this is gonna be ridiculous. Holy Toledo. Finesse its way out of this box, the ship box. Okay, this is ridiculous. Wow. So they went all in with this box. You can see it looks like an oven on fire. There's concepts right there. And it says on the box right here, concepts X Nike SB Dunk High Turdunken. This is crazy good. I mean, this box is really good. Did I say good? It's good. So pull it down. What in the world? I mean, it's just so well done. It doesn't feel like a cheap box at all. It feels like definitely premium. And wow. Okay, so that's the outside. Now you have an official Nerf Turkey Vortex, as you can see here. And it has a couple little trays for some sides here. Mashed potatoes, little concepts, corn, and a butter there, and some, looks like some cherry pie. I'm with the cherry pie, even though it's Thanksgiving themed. Like, you gotta kind of go cherry and pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving. In fact, if you can, drop a comment. What's your favorite pie for Thanksgiving? That's like my favorite part of Thanksgiving. Go figure. I just like the sweet stuff. But speaking of Thanksgiving, though, that's pretty awesome. You have some wrapping paper here with some concepts turkey action, and then you have a Nike box. Before I show you guys the box, though, check this out. So inside the bottom of the box, there's like a burner. So it's like keeping the turducken, hot inside the oven here. Super clever stuff, man. And in a world where there's so many different releases and stuff that happen all the time, like, I love it when a company has a really dope theme and they just run with it. And they create some of the most like amazing packaging with it. It's just crazy. So this is a box. Nike SB Dunk High Pro Quick Strike is what it says on the box. A good sign. It comes with some extra laces, some cranberry sauce laces, it looks like there. And then this is ridiculous looking. So this is a pair of socks. I'll open all of these up. I'm going to open this up as well because this isn't going to be a pair that I'm going to be selling. This is a keeper for sure. But ooh, this is what I wanted to see, man. Sheesh. Gosh, they really did it. They did a really good job on this one. It has such a crazy theme to it. Like, anybody that's a duck hunt fan, like, I mean, it looks kind of like that duck hunt duck because it's themed after a mallard duck. And I love the little hits of like the iridescent swoosh in the tongue. But the midsole, I think, is what really sets the theme. It's because of that two-tone midsole. They just did such a good job. Shout out to Dion. I don't know the dude personally, but I followed him and I've seen his work for years. And the guys over at Concepts, man, they always come up with some really cool stuff. But He was I saw him on the Nike sneakers app, and he was talking about the history or the background of this shoe, and so he was talking about the Mallard, and they had a whole bunch of different versions of the shoe. So extra laces. I like the fact that you can switch it up if you want. There. Oh, it looks like there's 2 sets of extra laces. So there's some yellow laces and some red laces. As for the Nike swooshes, one of them has like a purplish like iridescent swoosh on the outside, and then on the inside it kind of has like a greenish iridescent look. So it's actually different. I thought it was the same, and depending on the light, it definitely shifts with the light, but they are 2 different colors, which I thought was kind of cool. The tongue is iridescent as well, and it matches like the inside swoosh, so that kind of goes together there. One of the coolest materials that they used is that material right under the Nike swoosh on both sides. It gives it a real nice duck feel because of it, kind of like a feathery look to it. They did the same thing on the Kubo 15s. If you didn't know, like on one of the shoes, I actually have them. They're over there in a box, and I'm too lazy to go get them out. But it has the same sort of thing on the Jordan 15s that Tinker Hatfield did for the Kubo movie. The inside liner is just really, really dope. It has so many little details to it with the ducks flying through, and then it says concepts and stuff on it. Supposedly there's some hidden details in there, but I'm not seeing anything. Back to the midsole though, I really dig the midsole. The fact that they did like 2 tones on it just makes this thing pop so much better than it could have, I guess. But I think they did a tremendous job on the shoe. The overall design and look of the shoe just is amazing. If you don't know what a turducken is, I actually made one for my family years ago. I thought it'd be fun. I don't know what I was thinking because I cooked it terribly. But it was stuffing inside of a hen. The hen stuffed literally inside of the duck, and then the duck and the hen and the stuffing stuffed inside of a turkey. And it was just a hodgepodge of meats. It was just not a very good experience, but I shouldn't have been cooking that thing. Nowadays, I'm going to be doing like the Thanksgiving turkey in the smoker this year. But these things are wild and crazy, man. So one of the other things, the other details I wanted to show you guys, these socks are $14, but this, I saw some images and I was like, dude, this is so rad. Check this out. I just want to show you how ridiculously dope that is. It's like the claw of a bird right there, and it says concepts on the side. So I mean, talk about going all in with the theme. I love stuff like this where you have like that little hidden extra that costs an extra, you know, $20 or $15 or whatever to add in, but it just makes the set so much more dope. I don't know. And then you have this, dude. It's a turkey vortex. And then you have a couple other little spots here. I think these are empty. It's just for packaging. What does it say though? It says Concepts Nerf Vortex Arrow Howler Football. That's pretty much it. It just includes 1 ball. So there's actually nothing else up here. But I'll open it for you guys just to see because, you know, my kid will probably want to play with this, even though we already have one. Not a turkey one, however. But so here we go. I feel like I'm opening the Thanksgiving turkey right here. That's awesome. It comes backed with the turkey right here. Has a little bit of a paint smell to this thing, though. But, oh yeah, this is the one when you throw it, it like howls, right? It makes noises because you can see the vents on it. And it does say Nerf Concepts on it, so pretty awesome there. And then for this stuff, this just cardboard cutouts for those wondering. So it's just Nerf and then Nerf. There's no hidden Easter eggs in here. Although it would be cool if they did like hide something fancy inside one of these random packages. And then maybe like, I mean, that would be a cool Easter egg hunt, right? Like they have the people that actually open this up and look inside, and inside here you have like some magical package that's going to give you like another next free Concepts collaboration or whatever. Maybe I'm thinking too crazy, but that would have been pretty rad as well. But man, what do you guys think about this this collaboration? First of all, I'm stoked that I finally hit like on my first pair of dunks, I think, this entire year. And for those that don't know, historically speaking, I'm a dunk guy. Like I like dunks better than Air Jordan 1s. I always thought that the creativity of what Nike SB did, even though I'm not a skater per se, like I like to skateboard. I used to skateboard to school and stuff when I was a kid, and I have a skateboard now that, you know, I ride around with my kid, but I'm not like a real skater or anything like that. But I always loved the pop culture references that Nike SB did when they were creating shoes. It was just something totally different, next level than what Nike was able to do in like the Jordan 1 storytelling. They did storytelling in a much different way. And Nike SB, man, I mean, it's been back for a while now, but who would have predicted it? Because a lot of people thought it was dead, and now the wave has been crazy. So longtime fans of the dunk have really not hit on too many things this year, but that's just the way the game goes. I'm not salty or mad or anything, and I'm happy about this one. So at least I got one that I got a big W on. But man, Really, really good package. Amazing box. This is just crazy. And I'm so stoked that I was able to actually hit on a pair at retail. I think retail was $260 or something like that. I think it was like $280 shipped. But shipping was super fast. So, man, Concepts did a good thing. But these are going to be dropping at skate shops and also on Nike.com coming up. So stay tuned if you guys haven't thus far. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't to the channel. It's free to do. You can do it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm super tired. I've had a long day. Like, my day job is killing me right now. It's so busy that I don't have time to record content until after my kids are down. It's just a busy time. Most of you guys understand that, you know, there's people out there that work a lot, which there's a lot of you out there. But we'll leave it at that. Thank you again so much for watching. Have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you guys back. More videos. Peace, guys.